What is Wordle? Wordle is a word guessing game that you can play online via your browser. You need to guess the answer within 6 attempts. The word is the same for everyone, but it changes daily. Due to this concept and the fact that the word is the same for all, there's a bit of a competitive feeling that has been generated among people. This has led to this game going viral. Wordle rules. If a letter from your guessed word is in the correct spot of the actual word, it will show up in green. If the letter exists in the word, but if it's not in the right spot, it will be marked in yellow. And if the letter is not present in the actual word at all, you will see it in gray. How to play Wordle? Head to the official website. First, type any 5-letter word in the first row. It has to be a random guess because there are no clues like you have in crossword. In this example, I wrote algae. G is in the right slot, whereas E is in the word but in the wrong spot. I and L do not exist in the word. Next, I attempted rager. I know, A isn't in the word and I should have eliminated it, but from this, I found that GER are in the right spots. Now, the word that came to mind with GER was tiger. And that was it. The answer is tiger. It's all about keeping the correct letter in its spot and thinking around it. Move around the other letters which exist in the word but aren't in the right spot and make a new attempt. Eliminate the letters that are grayed out. And that's all there is to it. It's a simple online word game with a nice concept that makes you think and challenge yourself. You can ask everyone in the office or at school to play and find out who has the bragging rights to guess the word in fewer attempts. There's also a hard mode, where any revealed hints have to be used in subsequent guesses. Moreover, there's a color-blind mode and dark theme that you can toggle on and off as well. Is Wordle timed? No, you can take your time and make a guess. You only have 6 tries, so think carefully and see what hints you get. You can also close the Wordle tab on your browser and come back to it later in the day or night. Your previous guess will be saved, so you don't have to start over. When does Wordle reset? Wait until after midnight in your local time zone and you shall have a new puzzle to solve. How to play previous Wordles. Here's how to play older Wordle puzzles and master your skills.